Good day mga idol. Kami ang Adverb Band at papunta kami sa Las Casas sa May Bagak, Bataan para sa isang wedding event. Tara, samahan nyo kami.
Picture ka namin. Sabi mo kay Gracia, dito na tayo para ano yung mga gold simil.
Hindi pala tayo makakapasok doon, parking pala.
Ayan, nakaharap na yung mga ano. Ayan na.
Hopya.
Ano sasabihin natin?
Taka lang. Sedula? Wala po.
Ulitin ang sedula.
For checking po ba tayo? For dito po?
Ano kami?
The smile on your face
Gwapong-gwapo. Sige po, maaari na po tayo magsiupo. Hindi ko na po patatagalin pa. Napansin niyo pong napakaganda ng awit na nailapat sa proposal video. Ito po ata ang paborito ng ating bride and groom at para po sa kanilang first dance ulit after 25 years. Magpalakpakan po tayo para kay Ernie at Jeanette. Those days, for here we are in heaven, and you are my hands. Such a beautiful moment with our couples on stage. Palakpakan po natin. The bride and groom dancing with their parents. And also the married couples on the floor. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Maraming salamat po. Ayan. Kung hindi nyo po na itatanong, maraming po.
And she believes in me. I'll never know just what she's seen in me. You have gone and made me such a fool. I'm so lost in your love. All my life was so painful. Once make you in fine, till you move with your band, changing moods now and then, till the balance was right. I can't remember when you were when I did for anyone but you. I said we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us. What about the guys? Alleys in the street, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From love into another. Alleys in the street, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From love into another. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you, Sir Philip and Ma'am Chrisfield. Salamat. Natutulog na po. Si Nanay Estrella po. Mami, hindi ka na palapakan po natin the mother of the bride. Nakita na kita agad.
Kaya mga idol, natapos na rin ang event namin, matagumpay, masaya. At pauwi na kami. Maraming salamat sa panonood.
nasa harap, mga taga-Pandayan, all damper.
May shooting ko na eh.
Pangarap ko lang dati dyan.
Ngayon, tinupad ko na yung pangarap mo.
Pwede naman palang ipasok yung scoop mo.
At syempre, bago kami tuluyang mag-iwahiwalay, kape-kape muna sa stopover.
Video yan.